Hello everyone, I am Arya Pokhrel and this is my assignment on employee management system. In this, I have written codes of different I have written different codes which helps us to make an employee management system. I've used a connector to connect my project to my SQL database, which is this. I've created a table on my database. Now moving forward, I'll run my program. In this program, the user can use their username and password to log in, through which they can add employee data. The data has been successfully entered. I'll also add another data. The data has been successfully entered. Now we can view the data using the employee's ID. Both of the data are printed on the screen. Now the admin can also remove the data through searching the employee code. The data has been deleted successfully and can also update the code by searching the employee ID. This way, my assignment is completed. Thank you.